Hi, I'm James with J&C Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to buy the right router bit. Basically all you need to know, usually when you're buying these router bits, there'll be a diagram or there'll be some kind of picture on what kind of look you're trying to achieve. Most common use is for windowsills, outer edges of wood. That's going to be these type of bits right here. They'll actually show you a picture of the board and what it's going to look like after you use it. There's also different sizes as far as half-inch, 3/8 inch, quarter-inch bits. That's going to give you a different size bit for a different size board. If you have a half-inch board and you've only got a quarter-inch bit, it's only going to route a quarter-inch off the board. So you need to take that in consideration on what kind of materials you're using so you can get the right size bit for the type of wood that you're trying to route. If you need something just a little bit bigger, you don't want to use a bit that's too big for a board that's too small, because it's not going to give you the right look. It's just going to chew the board up. So basically, they come with, some of them they come up with little kits, and they give you a couple of different bits that are actually, they give you a couple of different uses, so you don't have to just buy one bit. These bits are usually about $20-something a piece, so they're kind of expensive when you can buy one of these kits that's got 6 or 7 different bits in it, and they're only about $50. So you get a little bit better deal doing it that way. But basically, that's the only thing to really consider when you're buying a bit is just know what type of wood you're using, what type of bit that you need, and just go by the diagram for the type of look that you're trying to get, and just base it off of that.